Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing 20 year celebration Tomb Raider, Rise of the Tomb Raider. I've just got the package and I will be opening it. Oops. In this hole with glue it. I've got it for about for 35 euros here in Romania. So this is the box itself. This is the back of the box. And the side. I've just peeled off the envelope and let's open the upper part. As you all know, I don't think everyone knows, but this I have the 20 years celebration with the book. This is the game itself. This is some paperwork. Of course, the registration code. I won't be showing it on the... And the season pass for the Hitman. I think this is packed in Europe, if I'm not wrong. And also the book. The rest is empty inside. This is the mini book which you get with the game. Here is Lara Croft. Wait till I get everything. Her famous bow. I personally didn't play the game, so this is my first complete. I didn't want to buy the game separately and then buy the season pass, so I bought the 20 years complete edition. I've just recently finished the Tomb Raider, the 2013 edition. This is, I think, is from the old games, the older games. So many Laras in the same place. This is the Lara Croft Manor, and as you can see, this book also has on the back cover you can put an DVD from the game, and it would look fancier. Here you go. But unfortunately you cannot put only one disc, not the both. What I forgot to tell you is that this version, which includes this book, it's only $2.50, costs more than the one without the book. So it's not a big a deal. If you don't pay the extra, you will get only the case open without the other. For some others that do not collect things, I think it's trash, but for me, I will enjoy the pleasure of having both, especially if this is a limited edition. Maybe you can resell it later for a better price. This is new to me. In the box, actually, you got only a registration code for Square Enix, and if you want to activate on Steam, you must actually insert the DVD into DVD drive, and it will automatically pop up and a window in which you will see the activation code, which you could copy to clipboard. There is actually a button, and you just paste it in Steam activation window. Thank you all for watching. Hit the like button if you like it, hit the dislike button if you disliked it.